Hello again, I'm Alejandra Marin, and today we are going to talk about business planning and marketing planning. Great marketers know how these two concepts are related, but also know how these concepts are different. We are going to talk also about the 3 business planning levels. Let's get right into it. So imagine a CEO of a company like Alphabet or Google or even the president of Texas Tech. They need to provide the entire plan of the organization for the short and long term. In contrast, marketing or market planning is a small part of business planning. Business planning is an ongoing process of making decisions that guides the entire organization, both in the short term and in the long term. Market planning or marketing planning is a part of business planning, so it is a narrower in scope. It focuses on describing the marketing environment, the marketing objectives, and the marketing mix. Business planning occurs at 3 levels: strategic, functional, and operational. Strategic, the top level, is the big picture. The bottom level, or operational, is a much more specific level. It describes how the company will achieve their goals. In the strategic planning level, usually the CEO or top executives define the firm's purpose, final goals, and what the company expects to achieve in the long run. Strategic planners need to know the organization very well, but also they need to know their marketing environment. These managers should match the organization's resources and capabilities to its market opportunities. Functional level gets its name because it involves the various functional areas in the firm: finance, operations, accounting, and of course, marketing. The marketers in the marketing function are in charge of the market planning. These marketers set objectives related to marketing mix strategies, and these objectives usually pertain to the next few years. An example could be to successfully launch 3 new products in the coming 3 years. Operational managers are responsible to execute the strategies at the operational level. In marketing, operational managers include sales managers, customer service, or brand managers. This level of planning focuses on the day-by-day of the operation and includes detailed quarterly, semi-annual, or annual plans. So let's look at how the objectives in each of the 3 business planning levels vary. First, strategic objectives tend to be general and long-term focused, whereas operational objectives are specific and short-term. An example of a strategic objective for a company could be to increase total revenues by 20% in the next 5 years. Or also at this level, managers decide how many strategic business units the company should be in. So an objective could be, in the next 5 years, expand into a new strategic business unit. At the functional or tactical level, the objectives are narrower in scope and not so long-term oriented. For instance, a marketing director from a large company could have the following objective: to gain a 40% share of a particular market by introducing 3 new products during the coming year. At the operational level, the objectives are much more specific and even narrower in scope. The objectives are also short-term oriented. For instance, a sales manager's objective could be to reach a specific quota level of units sold in a particular region by the end of the month. So we have discussed the difference among the 3 levels of business planning. However, all business planning activities should be an integrated activity. Strategic, functional, and operational plans must work together for the benefit of the whole organization, always within the organization goals. So in this video, we have answered 2 specific questions. First, what is the difference between business planning and market or marketing planning? And second, what are the 3 levels of business planning? Thank you for watching.